Hey guys, with the warmer temperature setting in, this is the recipe for mango lassi and I am making it dairy free. This is so easy and absolutely delicious and refreshing when you want to, escape from the heat. Plus, mango is in season now. So I am using half a cup of mango, peeled and chopped, and very easy recipe, very easy to remember the proportions. So half a cup of mango. You can also use mango pulp and or frozen mango pulp, and then half a cup of coconut yogurt. So I'm using this so delicious unsweetened coconut yogurt. I love their unsweetened coconut yogurt, plus half a cup of water. So everything is same proportion, and a pinch of sea salt, which is optional, but I love to add that in my sweet recipes, and a dash of honey. Again, that's optional. Whiz it up in your blender. And this is the mango pulp. I just wanted to show you the option. You could use that as well if you don't have access to fresh mangoes. And this is your mango lassi ready in just 5 minutes. It is absolutely delicious and so filling.